Yes, friends, need your support. I'll put my 100% effort, and I want you to promise me towards end of the class today that you will do on time practice and submit all your assignments, everyday assignments by weekend. Everyone, let's get started slowly. Yes, it's all about practice we need to do from tomorrow. So today what we are going to do, set up the lab work. Let's get started slowly. What is engineering? What we are going to learn? What we are going to do and why? Let's get started slowly, step by step. If possible, please get some observation notes, a scribbling pad and a pen in another 2 to 3 minutes, please. Complete class notes to be provided in advance module wise. You will take print copies of the notes. Get ready for the classes. I repeat, for example, on the screen you see something called storage module. Here it is. Complete notes will be given in a printable format, doc files. Take print copies of the notes. Get ready. Straightforward concept. What we do. Examples are planned for either 30 minutes each or 1 hour each. 30 minutes each. Examples will be taken, 2 examples on a day. 1 hour, it will be one full length class a day. Our class is for 1 hour. We'll do either 2 examples or 1 example each. But I want to make sure things are practical. No imagination, no theory. So you'll be receiving the documents module wise. You'll take print copies of the notes. Get it handy. Back to school. My kind request. Let's get started slowly. What is engineering and why we need to proceed for it? This is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I am the caretaker and I will be the only trainer from our school for Azure Engineering. I will be the only one, no second thought. Reason, I know what it is, and if something goes bad, we should know the outcome as well. So I'll be very, very careful. Trust me, I'll do my best, and I want you also to do your best. Let's make sure we have interactive and interested participants in the class. Need your support. Let's get started now. Let's understand what is engineering, why we need it, and what are the components involved inside it. What certifications are involved? Let's understand slowly. Database, a platform to store any type of data. We are going to start with database definition to step into 1 minute. Warehouse, rest of the class today and rest of the course from tomorrow lined up for 2 months. Yes, it's all about warehouse, our storeroom. And we'll understand in this process ETL, the travel agent ETL, the storeroom, godown, warehouse, and what we do as a data engineer practically, what we need to learn in our classes from tomorrow, the prerequisites and the actual takeaways. Let's get started slowly. What is database? We go for questions, doubts, clarifications after 15 to 20 minutes from now. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions. Any type of data mean barcode, QR code, integer, text, images, media, anything we can, media files, video, audio files, anything is what we need to deal with in our classes. Any amount of data, small and big data. So what we do? We are going to access data from various databases, preferably live OLTP databases. We are going to access the data. Some background sound, I'll mute that mic. We are going to access data from various live OLTP databases, the prerequisite for our data engineering course. Using what? Using SQL and NoSQL. SQL, MS SQL basics prerequisites, NoSQL and OSQL part of our classes. We'll do slowly step by step. Once we gather the data, what next? Warehouse, storeroom. DBMS is our house. OLTP is our living room. Warehouse is our storeroom. Let's understand more about warehouse here. For example, you take a live stock market activity, a live cricket match, live temperature, or simply say car showroom, live OLTP, day-to-day activities, live real-time data. OLTP databases will take care of this live real-time and near real-time data. As a data engineer, we need to filter, read and filter OLTP data. Then we have warehouse, our actual course. Pick data from OLTP, load it to warehouse. Now the question, Sai, why we are maintaining warehouse? My storeroom, my godown, for future access, future reference. A live cricket match, we see calculations, mathematics, expected run rate, required run rate, current run rate, chances to win, chances to lose, forecasts. The backbone of AI, the backbone of data science, data warehouse. Our classes include AI based ETL also. I note it again, AI based ETL in our classes. For 2 weeks, we'll be dwell with AI based ETL. Let's keep ourselves updated. I'm pretty sure you'll thank Microsoft by end of next week itself. Pretty sure about it, friends. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Let me take you back to our course. Tomorrow, we are going to have certain configurations. Tomorrow, let me give a preview. Yeah, here it is. Tomorrow, we are going to have certain configurations. By day after tomorrow, we are going to load trillions of rows in our test environment. We can make it work. Trillions of rows, but it takes 20-30 minutes. Trust me, by next week, we'll make it within, note it, 15 to 20 seconds. That is the power of Azure, remember. Cheaper, but we can make it very powerful. So there are certain limitations here and there. We need to learn it slowly, step by step. Friends, it's like a chemistry class for us. So I was telling the same at the starting of the class. I want interested, interactive participants. Please help me and we'll do it to the best. You and me need to do our best carefully. We have nice extras for attendees who are very, very interactive. I understand 99% of our participants here are working professionals. So I know your requirements. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Concept as FAQs. Few questions outside the notes, answers inside the notes is what we need to have. Our interviewer knows better. Let's make it cautious. Back to our track again. What is that we are learning? Data warehouse. Data warehouse is all about ETL. Remember, we are going to start with how to load OLTP data. Slowly step into incremental loads. On-premise means non-cloud data loads to cloud. File incremental loads, table incremental loads. Everywhere there will be limitations. So, need for next concepts. We have something called aggregated loads. So, what are all these? Now, here it is. This is what I'm looking for actually. From source, we do ETL and load the data to a warehouse. What is that? I repeat again back to our previous screen. From source, we do ETL, extract, transform, load, and get data to a warehouse. So our course is all about, the Azure Data Engineering course is all about reading data from various sources. Day after tomorrow, about 20 to 30 minutes to load some trillions of data. By next week, end of next week, max by later next week, we are going to make it work within 30 to 40 seconds. There we are. ETL, extract, transform, load. It's like a valet parking service, as simple as that. ETL. So we need to work with data warehouse, ETL. Two great platforms. This is our course. Now, how do we implement? Very simple logic. Hope you are having your observation notes. Few attendees are logged in from their mobiles. Please, one time, lifetime chance to learn something. Let's do it to our heart with all our effort. Need your support. Mobile logins from tomorrow. Please try to log in from a desktop or laptop, please, for best results. Let's continue. Hope you are having your observation notes, others. Very simple, friends. Our data engineering involves two departments, okay? ETL department, data warehouse department. First line, second line. I repeat, ETL department, warehouse department. What next? ETL, there are two flavors. Microsoft, open source. Warehouse also again, Microsoft, open source. That's it. Our 2 months journey, 7 weeks of live classes, Monday to Friday. If in case you're opting for weekend classes, 8 weekends. Plus additional time you have to invest for the project work. Involves all these 4 items. First department, open source and Microsoft. Again second department, open source and Microsoft. They are all good friends. Open source ETL, Microsoft warehouse. Microsoft ETL, open source warehouse. They actually travel together, remember. For example, let me take it practically in a small screen. One of the prominent data engineering technology, Databricks, part of our classes anyway, databricks.com. It says data factory plus Databricks plus Synapse together. What we are doing? Here it is, very simple. Extract data from various sources. Travel with your data, filter the data and finally load it to warehouse. This is our warehouse. So ETL and there is some stand on top of it. We make our warehouse sit on it. Data lake. It's all about ETL, remember. L into where? Warehouse. Load the data into the warehouse or storeroom. With this information, small introduction, let's come to our actual point, what we are going to learn in our classes. As a data engineer, we are involved in ETL warehouse. How to implement various technologies, data factory, Microsoft ETL, pros and cons, Databricks, open source ETL. Again, pros and cons. We need to balance them very carefully. Cost is important, client requirement is important. Synapse, Microsoft Warehouse, Data Lake, Microsoft Warehouse. What about open source warehouse? Spark, Python, PySpark, Spark SQL, Scala. These are all open source technologies pertaining to our engineering. Our course involves all these items very carefully with integrations, end-to-end integrations. So this is our complete blueprint. 2 weeks we need to invest in data lake storage. 3 weeks we need to invest in data factory and Synapse. 2 more weeks Databricks and PySpark with AI. Here comes actual AI concepts. We need them for 2 weeks I was mentioning earlier. As on date, data factory, Synapse, data lake does not have AI capabilities as on date. Maybe there in future. As on date, no. Databricks, PySpark have nice AI capabilities we can really enjoy. It is going to make our things easier. Trust me. We have AI with Databricks. Next, after learning and implementing practically all these items in a meaningful way, easy to understand way, then we need to involve in a project with logic apps, automations, Azure Purview, data governance, certification guidance, and CI/CD pipelines DevOps concept. With this introduction, let me take you to our complete intro notes. We will go for questions in next 5 to 7 minutes. Where we started, to make it clear again, where we started with types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse, the bridging agent in between them, ETL, Microsoft ETL, blue, open source ETL, red, Microsoft warehouse, blue or purple, whatever, and open source warehouse, Spark. Bundled together, our actual engineering course DP203 involves various modules. You may give me question, sir, what about Spark, Python? I assume we are all very new. Revise MS SQL basics, that's enough. DML, DDL, select, joins, constraints, enough. Remaining things will take care. Next. Then we have, just wait. Yeah, on my screen. 2 weeks data lake and storage. 3 weeks of Synapse, data factory. Here we have something called Spark pool, dedicated SQL pool, serverless pools, etc. Then we have something called Spark databases, Spark SQL and PySpark. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Finally, project work with certification. And I strongly request you to plan your certification also. Whatever material I provide you by end of this week, End of this week, I need to provide you the complete certification guide you see on the screen, 400 pages book. Latest certifications sample from Microsoft, part of the course you will be receiving by end of this week, everyone. I request you to follow during your free time. Make sure, if possible, take a print or whatever it is. Make sure you go through it carefully. You'll be receiving this through our website with a login password. You may download the PDF or you may just get it carefully as you wish. It's the latest one. Again, by next month, new sample will be released. We need to make it available for you. This is a sample from before last month, the latest one. Again next month, October, again one more release by December. That's how it goes actually. So I'll be providing you at least 2 samples, both from 2024 this year. Make sure you do your best in your trainings as well as certification preparation, my kind request. We'll go for questions next 3 to 5 minutes, please. Next 3 minutes, we'll go for questions. To recap once again, before we go for questions, we learned what is database, types of database, our main role, data warehouse. Using what? Using SQL, PySpark. These two are the main concepts. Don't worry. It is, truly speaking, codeless. In olden days, we used to start writing our code manually. Yes, until last year. This year from Feb and March, I can clearly see, because I keep on doing these trainings day and night. We have 3 batches every month, or like morning, evening, and weekend. We can clearly see a lot of AI components being introduced, making the things very easier. So new concepts are coming up. Example. Just want to give you a small example here. There is something called data bricks. In olden days, we used to write our own code. Spark.read.csv like that. Whereas now, it's not the case. You start saying Spark dot, it gives you complete script immediately. You enter a tab and you are done. This is the one I'm talking about, AI assistant. And most of the code is auto-generated. We need to simply supply the values here. You are done. Trust me, things are made very simple, very easier. We are into data platform. AI is helping us a lot. Non-data platform, there might be replacement, that's for sure. Data platform, we are the backbone. Let's learn from the scratch carefully. So we are going to start with cloud basics from tomorrow. Azure fundamentals, cloud, a remote storage. We are into storage, ETL analytics, and we are working with one of the prominent cloud called Azure. If anyone looking for AWS, we have separate set of trainers and schedules you see on the website for AWS. Google Cloud, we don't have anyone right now. Azure, I will be the caretaker. AWS, you may request the details from our team. They can reply immediately with all the curriculum and the schedules in case. My preference Azure, reason, cheaper, easy ETL, faster analytics. Out of all these, this is more important for current market trend and the economic conditions in the market. Easy GUI, easy ETL. At the same time, we have 5 different tools we need to install in our computers. Total 5. So we need Windows 8 or higher operating system? No, Sai, I'm using Mac. Please enable Windows inside Mac or install a VM, virtual machine, or some container. Make sure you have Windows 8 or higher ready. We need it for our technical classes from tomorrow, first minute. We'll slowly travel step to step together. Next, what we are going to learn in our actual classes in a single screen. On my screen. As per DP203 examination pattern, of course, we need to have Azure fundamentals with Azure SQL database concepts. It's mandatory. And we need to learn storage components, ETL components, extract, transform, load, streaming components, other Azure components, and data governance, logic app, automations, and CI/CD DevOps concept for our course. Finally, project work. So this is a complete item. You may take a screenshot of this. Anyway, I'll be making it available along with the other screens on email. Please take print copy of all the content. It really works. And over to you now. We'll go for questions. After Q&A, if time permits, we'll start our lab configuration today. If not, we'll be doing it tomorrow. And here is the complete day-wise roster. You'll be receiving the complete information like what we are going to learn in data engineering. In case you are looking for complete BI stack, what is engineering, what is Power BI, what is Fabric. Fabric is, I don't want to say next version of engineering, not at all. It is a shortcut representation of warehouse, but the roots are from engineering. We need to have strong fundamentals of data engineering and some kind of hands-on on Power BI to get into Fabric. Fabric is a separate 1.5 month journey for us. 1.5 month data engineering, almost 2 months. 1 month Fabric, extra additional almost 1.5 to 2 months Fabric. None of these examples to be repeated. They are all independent, individual. By default, we need to make them dependent. Data engineering is a cake. It's a cake, okay? Cake, cool cake, cool cake. Power BI is a cream, front end. Data engineering is a cake, warehouse, back end. The actual cake mix is the ETL. Fabric is a cream cake. Really, friends, I mean my example. And lot of new changes almost every week we see in Fabric now. We have weekend classes for Fabric for 2 months, 8 weekends. But the prerequisite engineering, the backbone to enjoy the actual activities of Fabric. Let's start with engineering. Maybe 6 months, 1 year down the line, you may plan for Fabric as well next, once you gain experience as an engineer. With this, we'll stop for now. I'll provide you all this content. If you're aware of SQL, you directly go for engineering. Or you may do SQL, either of self-paced videos or live training, and go for engineering as per your comfort. Or you may also do SQL, engineering, and Power BI combo, like one basement SQL, the starter pack, starters, main course engineering, and desert Power BI. Actual cream on our cake. Choice is yours. Next, any questions, anyone? Let me know. Over to you now. I'll wait, please. Aladdin, any questions, sir? Please tell me. I'll wait, sir. Aladdin, any questions, please? I'll wait. We'll go one by one, friends. Aladdin, any questions, please? Mic with you, sir. Please check your mic, please. We'll go
No,
one
sir.
by one, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Fine, sir. Sir, looking for engineering only or engineering plus any combination, sir? Let me know, please.
Engineer only, sir. Azure Data Engineer.
Perfect, sir. We'll do one by one. And you can practice minimum 1 hour every day, sir, please. Minimum 1 hour every day, please.
Sure, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. And Amrish Tripathi, can you hear me? Please check your mic, sir. Amrish.
Yes.
Sure. You are looking for core engineering, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. We'll do one by one, sir. Sure. Core engineering, about 2 months you plan for it. And
So,
Anirban, Amrish, please tell me, Amrish. Proceed, sir. Tell me.
yes, sir. So I have query for the green part, like the query optimization and the SQL development. Did you just say separate part? Query tuning and
Yeah, you
Azure
are
SQL
okay.
development.
You want query tuning also? Fine, sir. Sure. Query tuning. If it is live training, actually we started one course today only. We started one course today actually. Our team shall guide you further regarding that. Okay. Here is our
Okay,
performance tuning
fine.
checklist. Okay. Core performance tuning for working professionals on SQL. This is our checklist actually. A 10 days course,
Okay,
10 days course,
okay.
performance tuning only. Plan for working professionals. I'll provide you the complete details separately, sir, on email. Okay. I'll do.
Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Next. Anirban, please tell me, sir, which one you are looking for? SQL plus data engineer or only data engineer as per your comfort? Please tell me. Anirban.
I am looking for the Azure Data Engineering, but the sense is that in current project I drastically need the Azure Data Factory. So will the Azure Data Factory, will the all the components of the Azure Data Factory will completed in this session?
Yes, it will. I strongly recommend you go for complete data
Actually,
engineering, not only data factory, go for complete engineering so that we don't miss the end-to-end integrations. Yeah.
means that Azure Data Engineering, right? Cool.
Exactly, sir. You're right. Yeah, better, please. Yeah. It will be easy for us. Yeah.
And one thing in my current my recommendation is to now they are wanted to do some kind of the migration activity. The migration activity means that uh, they are mentioning that there is some kind of that SSIS packages and Azure Data Factory, okay, which to be that migrate into that uh, pro- production UAT and SIT environment like
Okay.
that. So will this covered in these courses
Yeah, we have
like that?
CI/CD
Because they wanted
integrations
to
towards the project work. We do. Yes, it is. Yeah. CI/CD.
CICT.
Yes,
So they
there we
are
have
asking
this
that we need to. So
GitHub.
they are asking that GitHub. No, they are asking that we need to migrate to the PaaS environment or the LAS.
PaaS and SaaS. It's not ES
Uh,
actually. Yes, we don't have data engineering. There we have something called MI, managed instance, and Power BI embedded.
uh,
That's different one. They will be asking about SaaS and PaaS. Yes, we have it in CI/CD. Will do. Yes, GitHub and CI/CD will do.
okay,
Okay. Next,
okay.
Anurag Sharma. Can you hear me, sir? Anurag Sharma, please tell me.
Yeah, hi sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir. So which one you are looking for, Anurag Sharma? Like data engineering only, right? Right now.
Right.
Perfect. And you have time to practice minimum 1 hour every day, please.
Yeah.
Please. Perfect. And Christmassy, let me know, please, which course you're opting for, core engineering or anything else? Christmassy.
Hello. Yes, I'm already in your SQL class, and I'm
Oh, yeah,
taking
I
engineering.
remember. Yes. We'll continue anyway.
Yeah,
We'll continue. Got it.
yeah. I had a question.
Tell
For
me, sir.
the data engineering, you said that it would be good to get some work experience before going to Fabric. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so once I finish there, I should get some experience first
Yeah,
before.
better. Yeah, see one thing, sir, friends, everyone, see, there are two types of learning. One is support role kind of learning, other one is production role kind of learning. Let's look for the production type. We'll be safe. Okay, always. Okay, we need to learn the subject like a bone, not like a flesh. We are safe always. Trust me. Let's go one by one. Okay, better. Yeah, always.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Data engineering first. Okay, better. Yeah.
Okay. And then how many months of work experience do I need before I should try
For
the
minimum
fabric?
2 to 3 months enough. You once you get the complete flow, you're happy to proceed further. Minimum 2 to 3 months enough. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Next. Fine, sir. And Praveen Kumar, can you hear me, please? Praveen Kumar, please check your mic.
Yes, sir. Can you hear?
Praveen Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Praveen. Which
Hello?
one you're looking for? Core engineering only or anything else? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir. Only core engineering.
Perfect, sir. Perfect. We'll do. We'll do. And Rashid
Yes,
Muhammad,
sir.
can you hear me, please? Rashid Muhammad, please tell me. Yeah. Rashid Muhammad cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic. Others, please give me
I can
2
hear
to
you.
5 minutes time,
I
please.
can hear you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rashid, which one? Engineering, right? Isn't it?
Engineering. Yeah.
You're aware of SQL basics, right? MS SQL basics.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
Perfect. I'll provide you some revision queries. Go through them. It should be enough. A quick
Good.
warm up. Perfect. And Mazid, please tell me, sir, which one you are looking for, please? Mazid.
Data engineering, but I have some questions. So during our course, we will cover the entire data platform monitoring and the row level security and column level security, or this out of the
Sir, row level security, column level security, part of the course. Let me give you my notes first. Let me show you practically from our notes, okay, to get more clear and simplified understanding of our classes. Column level security, okay, we can directly use by using grant statement. But coming to row level security, it's very interesting in Azure. And let me show you now. Part of the course, sir. We'll do it practically, okay? Got it? Step by step.
So what about monitoring?
I'll show you that one as well, sir.
Okay.
It should
Thank
be
you.
there. It should be there, okay? Without that, we'll not be able to proceed, right? Got it?
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
We'll do it, sir. Day 8, day 9, module 1. We'll do, sir. Okay, we'll
Thank you
do.
so much.
Fine, sir. Next question, please. 1 minute, friends. Okay, just wait. I think, sorry, I need to switch over my screen. Yeah, next. Friends, any questions, please let me know. I'm open. Okay, I'm open. We should be clear in what we do. Yes, next. Manoj, please tell me, Manoj, which course you're looking for, Manoj? Tell me, please. Manoj, cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic. Manoj Sahu. Manvendra Singh, which course you're looking for? Please tell me. Data engineering only or anything else? Please tell me. Yeah. Cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic. Please check your mic, sir. Please. Yeah. Please check it. Please help me. Next. I got a question here, friends. Did not see orchestration. Paul Suku. Orchestration is nothing but pipelines. Okay. We implement data orchestration by using pipelines. Okay. Whatever we do in data factory is all about orchestration only, sir. Let me put this way. Let me show you from our class notes, sir, so that it will be clear in what we are learning. I'm talking about data factory very, very soon. When discussing about data factory, we'll be discussing transformations and all. All these are called data orchestration, we call it. We'll be discussing practically data orchestration components. Number 3, day 3 and above in our classes. Paul, hope it is clear, sir. Mike with you, please tell me. I'll wait.
Yes, it is clear. Thank you.
Fine, sir. Fine. Next, Manvender, cannot hear you, Manvender. Please check your mic, sir.
Yeah,
Please check your
sorry.
mic.
Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, I'm just
Thank you,
looking
sir.
for long waited for Azure Data Engineering. I would also would like to join that Microsoft Fabric, but yeah, initially first I want to complete
Yeah, one by
this
one,
Azure
sir.
Data
Better,
Engineering.
right? One by one. Yeah, safe side.
Yeah,
No, one by why
for
to
data
hurry?
engineering. Data engineering, yeah.
Exactly. You can do. And Paul, you are
Yeah.
looking for core data engineering only, right? Paul, let me know, please. I think Fabric also, right? Fabric also. Data engineering
Yes,
Fabric. Got
I'm
it.
interested in data engineering and also Microsoft
Fabric you
Fabric.
said earlier. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it. Got it. Yes. In the meantime, others, please let me know.
Hello,
Vijay,
sir.
which one you're looking for, Vijay? Let me know, please.
Hello, sir. This is Manoj Kumar. I am
Tell
the
me, sir.
old student. I am the old student of your SQL
Oh,
class last year.
okay.
So I also interested about the Azure Data Engineering.
Got it. Got it. You are there with us in 2022. I could see
Ah,
here.
yes, sir.
Understood, sir. 2022, you are there. I got it. I got it.
Yes.
Sure, sir. We'll do carefully. Next. Vijay,
I am sure,
please let me
sir.
know, Vijay. Which course you're looking for, Vijay? Tell me. Vijay Kota. Cannot hear you, please. Vamshi, please tell me.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm looking for data engineering. Vijay.
And you're aware of SQL, madam. Please confirm. SQL.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Perfect. Yeah. Vamshi, Swati, Soumya, Siva Prasad. Please let me know, please, one by one, please. Yeah. Siva
I'm
Prasad.
sure, sir. Yeah. Actually, I'm looking for Azure Data Factory with the Synopsys Analytics model.
Only ADF module, right? Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Surely, we'll do. As per your requirement, sure, we'll do. Yep.
Yeah.
And yeah, Vamshi, Swati, please let me know, please, one by one, please.
One more thing, Pramindra. Actually, one more doubt. So, can you provide any recordings for that after completion of these
Sir, every
classes?
class there will be a recording anyway. For every class we have recording, but make sure
Okay.
like you focus on the class notes. That's more important. I want you to take print copies of the notes before the class itself. Okay, that's
Okay.
important. Let's go traditional learning, step by step. However, you are missing any class or any kind of issues, yeah, you have video access for 2 weeks from the session date. 2
Okay.
weeks. If you want, you can record from your end for lifelong access. I don't have any objection. From our end, we are
Okay.
able to manage or maintain the video for 2 weeks. We'll do from our end for everyone. Yes.
So there is no problem with we can able to record that one, correct?
Why not, sir? No problem. Yeah, no issues.
Okay.
I don't have
Thank
any
you.
objection. No,
Yeah.
no problem.
Thank you.
Fine. Soumya,
Hi,
yes, madam, please tell me. Yeah.
I have already joined the PSQL.
Oh yeah, I remember, sister. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll continue for engineering. We'll do.
Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, we'll do. Yes. And Vamsi Sai, please tell me. Vamsi Sai.
Yeah, hi. I'm looking for a core only.
Core data engineering, right? You mean?
Yeah.
Sure, brothers. We'll do. And Seshan Doi, please tell me. Seshan Doi, Pratap, please tell me one by one, please. I'll wait. We are done. Yep.
Yeah, myself Pratap Sai. Actually, I'm looking for a Azure Data Engineering end-to-end course.
Sure, sir. Sure. We'll do. And Pratap, you're aware of MS SQL concepts, sir, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm working as a SQL Server database administrator.
Perfect. Then I expect more questions from you in the class. Please help me, okay?
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Yep. Seshan Doi, please tell me which course you're opting for, please. Seshan. Seshan cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic, sir. Please check your mic. Fine, friends. Thank you. Next. So to make it clear and simple, I'll just take you back to our, the Word document I was showing you a few minutes back. Okay, I'll just make it clear and easier for us. Number one, you have the complete class notes in detail. Number two, make sure you practice everything carefully on time or max by weekend. Make sure, friends, we complete all our practice and assignments. If everyone is interactive or majority participants are interactive, we can do more and more. Please make sure we do our best carefully. I got a question on the chat. Hi, is there any Cosmos? Cosmos, we have separate 1 month course, sir. not a part of this engineering, not a part of DP203. What is there in DP203 is a part of our course, and that is our ground or the boundary lines we have. And Cosmos, if you are looking for, we are separate 1 month course in case. Let's make it clear and straight. Next, one more thing. For tomorrow, make sure you install SQL Server and SSMS. In our classes, we are going to have lab configuration like this. Everything I will take care. Yellow boxes, you please take care. I shall provide you installation link. Okay, you might already have SQL Server with you. Just in case, I'll provide you the installation link and installation video, installation download link, installation video. I'll send it today. And sample database for your reference and practice. Just to save time, okay? For your easy, quick revision. Make sure you install SQL Server, Management Studio, both. 2022 preferred. 2019 is also okay, but 2022 preferred. No additional prerequisites. Just MS SQL basics. We are good to proceed from tomorrow. We'll stop for now. From tomorrow 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. India time. Hope this time works for everyone. Please confirm. Let me know, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Please confirm.
Yes.
Please, I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it works.
Sure.
Yeah, and yeah, please don't change the time. Yeah,
Oh,
so this is
no,
the
I
important.
cannot. I cannot. Let me tell
Yeah.
you why, sir. Let me tell you why. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. I have DBA class.
Okay.
I cannot change. I'm locked now. Okay. You got my point now. It's locked already. 8 to 9, I have DBA class. 7 to 8,
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
have SQL developer class. 6
Yeah,
to
yeah,
7,
you know that
I have
I have
Power
a
BI.
time constraint
I
from
understand.
different time zone, na? So that's why I'm telling you.
I understand, sir. I cannot. I'm not there enough to change it. I will not change it, sir. Until project work, it will be the same time. Hope it is clear. We'll do same time. Okay. Because I have back-to-back schedules and other commitments as well. Okay. Fine. After 2 weeks, in case, let's stick to one schedule and continue. I said 3 modules. After one module, in case of any trouble, you may switch over to our self-paced video training for the remaining classes. Same content, same curriculum, same support, same notes, same examples. Or you can switch to some other schedule for the remaining classes. That flexibility is available on a friendly note. Need your support? Please do your best. Need your support. That's it. That's it from my end for today, and our team shall get back to you on email and WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Any more questions, please? I'll stay back.